we used our and I'm going to put it into a pan, hit it with some orange juice. Well, let's not do that. Take a bunch of pictures of it for social media, add a layer of beautiful, wonderful music. We're not Donald Trump. We used our leftover Thanksgiving turkey, some of it at least, to make these wonderful jerk turkey tacos. Hey out there, if you want to, Hi, if you want to build your own, take final cut. Well, thanks. So go ahead and subscribe. But, it's a big but. All right, well, you tuned in and clicked this video to watch me make braised balsamic chicken. So let's head into the chicken. Oh, that was a good one. Classic gold right there for a blooper tape. All right, well, welcome back to It's Only Food. Now, our past series that we did have for that. Now, the playlist has that series. Wow. All right. Oh. That'd have been good. Oh, my toe! Owie, owie. Now, poached egg's basically an egg that's been poached. I'm sorry. If this is your first time take a bite of this, and we're gonna, wow, seems like the cat and the dog are fighting. Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food. Crap, you know. Now the objective of this show is to teach you, people how to eat. The recipe will also be down there. All right, well you, all right. Straight face. Let's think of Grandma. Okay. Damn it. Go ahead and click that card. Go ahead and click this card right here, and that'll be the playlist that all right. Go ahead and click that link right up here, and you'll see the playlist for that. All right, one more time. Go ahead and click right up here for that card, and you will see that card will give you the link to that playlist. Wow. All right, go ahead and click that card that's right there. Go ahead and click that card that's right here, and you will see the playlist link for that. And you can go ahead and see that's 6 shows, I believe, and you can watch. All right. All right. All right, go ahead and click that card right up here to see the link for that playlist. And then I will also put a description, and I will also put a link in the description box below so you can see that playlist to kind of get a feel for what we're doing here. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me make, sorry. All right, well, you watch this, wow. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me make some braised balsamic chicken. Well, hey, I'm Chef John Politte, and welcome to It's Only Food. Today, we're going to be making Hey, everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share this video with... So go ahead and also have links to... Okay, let's just start this one up. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time, right here on It's Only Food. Take care. Bye-bye.